We realized we need to make more videos.
Of course. So here is David's first impression
macOS Mojave.
of macOS Mojave. Now it's on this external drive, so you need to boot it.
Yeah, alright.
And
with the Retina MacBook.
Yes, nice display. I will try to kind of get you and the screen in one. That's kind of hard.
My first reaction. It will be so incredible, I can tell already.
Yeah.
If it boots.
Does it not want this? This Mac is very launish.
Takes quite a bit.
Is it booting?
When the screen is on.
Yes, screen is on, yes.
Should I turn it off again?
Let's start like a video of us.
Yeah, starts really like
exactly like a video of us.
Alright, once more.
Hold Alt.
That's weird.
But it's loading, look at that. The LED is going nuts.
Mm-hmm. That's so weird.
Should we wait?
That's the question. It just takes so long. It's.
You know what? We rig it off again.
This is really a typical video. We just want to see Mojave. What's going on?
What is the deal?
Okay, let's just.
I'll try it with this. Maybe that's making some magical effect. Oh, this is also still on. Okay. I will turn this off.
I think this ain't good.
Wait, you didn't kill it.
I did kill it.
Oh, not enough.
For sure.
Now
made
it's
the boot start. Yeah.
Wait. Now hold Alt. This is a very bitchy Mac. It's like it's a nice machine, but I kind of grew not to like it. Okay, now let's hook it up. No, that's the HDMI. Yes.
Come on. Can't do it.
What's the deal here? Why can nothing work when we try it? Seriously.
What's the deal now?
I have no idea. Honestly, this is so weird. It should have popped up like. What?
That's right.
Yes, that's the one.
Alright, there we go now. So here comes my first reactions.
Just wait. It's only a slow old Retina MacBook Pro.
So old, so slow.
Needs time. No, yes, it can freeze anytime. So
maybe that is a freeze now.
No. I think that's fine. Because the LED is still working.
Well, that's for sure slow. First impression. Nah.
Yes, that's a nice impression.
Well, here we go. The big moment.
It's booting.
It's booting. Oh, maybe it's the Retina. It's fine.
Yeah, it's so heavy, right?
Of course, Apple, it had to be thinner, right?
Yep. So thick.
Yeah, because that's so thick, yeah. It's so heavy, I can't.
Wait. Don't make sure you don't rip out the USB, so then we can start over again.
Okay. What the loading bar actually works. Okay.
The password is BAM, Alter.
So here we go. The magic moment.
What do you say to the nice wallpaper? That
astonishing.
So
remarkable.
I mean, just a tune that's so simplistic.
Yeah, I mean, only for this I would upgrade it.
Yeah, this is. I mean, macOS 10 used to have great wallpapers, but this is kind of meh. You know what I mean? It's not my favorite feature. Let's say it this way.
Hello.
I think the click is not activated.
I hate that. I need to turn. Sorry.
See it? Yes, it clicked.
I need to turn that on. I hate that so much.
Okay, I turned it on. I mean, all I did, mate, is install Firefox and Cinebench. This is all I did.
macOS Mojave.
As you can see there.
Beta.
Mojave.
This is the newest, right?
Yep,
Higher
it's
power.
completely up to date. If they didn't release an update yesterday,
I don't think
like,
so.
I would.
Well,
So what are your impressions? Maybe turn on up the screen a bit more.
oh my god.
This dark mode,
The dark mode is fine.
the dark mode kind of seems to make your display darker.
Oh really? I mean,
This is the new view.
okay, let's look at the new apps. Stocks.
Yes.
Because we need stocks.
Yeah, I think it's nice. They kind of made it.
iOS like.
Yeah, and Windows like because Windows had that for a long time.
Just give me my phone for a second.
Yes.
Because I think it's exactly the
It's
same like
definitely
iOS 12.
definitely the same.
Just so people can see. Where is it actually? Because I'm running iOS 12 beta as well.
Wait,
There.
let me zoom.
It's exactly the
Let
same.
me zoom. Yep, it looks exactly. Yeah, the font, the graphics, everything.
Yeah.
The click on one on the Mac on one. It's definitely the same.
Yeah, it's
Yep.
exactly the same.
So yeah, it's fine. You know, that's
Yeah, if you
good.
need it, if you want it, there you go.
It's good. I think.
Loads. Isn't there one more?
The screenshot tool is completely
Yeah, right,
new.
that's
That
new.
I really I need to say this is a great program. I really have to say.
Isn't there like yeah.
How you really use this is
The
Sprachmemo.
Sprachmemos.
You really use this launchpad. Oh my god.
Nah, actually no, but
I
no.
thought because I never saw you using it.
Yeah, well, that's fine, I guess.
Yeah, I mean it's kind of weird that Mac never had a voice recorder, right?
It did.
Really?
Wait.
Yeah, here it's
No.
yeah on QuickTime, yes, but I mean
Yeah.
yeah, but I mean
I like it.
a whole program for it.
Well, what's kind of nice is that you have the current programs that you were running here.
Do you like this?
That's quite nice in my opinion. Yeah. I mean, it depends how long do they stay
I mean,
here.
let's open up one more and see if it extends. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, that's in the dock.
Oh
so
wait,
it's,
oh yeah,
it's gonna stay. One that's not in
home.
the dock. Yes, home.
No.
Oh no.
Okay, that's fine then.
Because I wouldn't want it to have like five different opening up.
Yeah, that's fine then. Okay.
So yeah, that's cool. Yeah,
Okay.
made it kind of
Look
like
at the
iPad.
screenshot tool.
Yes, go to the to a
It's
great.
still called the same.
Yep, and go to a great website.
Whoa.
Mate.
Yeah. Let's go to.
Yeah,
I can actually. Yeah, I can still find it under that name.
nice. There's our website, guys.
If it works. Hey,
I think it's still loading.
it's still loading. Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Even the right name.
Yes, you updated it. Great.
I think the videos are right. Yeah. All right. So Belgium photo.
Belgium photo.
Okay, I never tried that before. Oh, that's cool.
That's very nice, right? It's way better than dragging it.
Yeah,
like
because
you
now I
always
can do
did it.
like
Yeah, you can even do this.
then. All right.
There it is. Yeah. I think now this is like iOS. Yeah, you just
Okay. Now I can.
Yep.
That's clever.
not so bad, right? I like it. This is maybe my favorite program.
Okay. Yeah. That's actually.
It
quite
maybe
nice.
made turn the screen down just a little bit because it's way too bright.
Perfect.
Yeah, a little more. Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
All right.
Because the black and white is so, the contrast
I see. Yeah.
oversaturating the camera. So,
Okay. Oh, I
and
think it crashed.
did it crash?
It did crash. Yeah.
No, it crashed.
Yeah. Well. All right.
Or did you save it?
Or I saved it. Maybe. I don't
Who
know.
knows?
I know. Okay. Let's see how this transition happens.
The transition.
Where do I have to go for that?
What do you mean the
What the fuck
transition?
is this software?
Yep,
update?
this is the new software update.
Oh.
Not the App Store anymore.
What? Oh,
Yeah,
that's shit.
You know that this is going back to the Jaguar days.
True, yeah.
In Panther they introduced the software update
Yeah.
app, and in Jaguar they had this. They made it, and here they made it like the iPhone.
That's okay. Yeah. I just wanted to say it's like the iPhone
It's
then.
basically the iPhone.
Yeah. Where do I find that? Probably here, right?
You mean-
Okay. This
This
is
is
like
bright.
the normal
Yeah,
one.
this is the normal,
Ah.
like we're used
This
to.
should change.
No, this is not.
Oh, okay. This is just.
This is,
bars.
I think, the tag is up hanging when you go in here.
Oh, okay. Depending on the
Yes,
time.
when it stay, it's
Hello?
did it crash?
No, I think it's loading.
When it's day, it's bright, and when it's night,
Yeah.
it's,
There it is.
Yep,
Dynamic.
it is, and now,
Okay, and just let me see it this way. Oh, I see.
yeah, this looks actually better, I think.
Yeah, that looks fine.
I
I still think that this looks better.
Yeah, that's the high Sierra one. Yep, yep.
It's also quite nice. But
So a shame that they removed the snow leopard. You know, I like.
yeah, that was a nice one. Yeah.
It's
Oh God, it even has the inverted scroll. Yeah, but the
Yep.
dynamic one.
Maybe change that.
It will be interesting to see how good this dynamics thing works, right?
I really can't tell you. I've only used it at night.
Probably. So what's new as well?
The
Hey, the
stapler,
bin is dark as well.
the staple, or how do you say it? But you need more files for this, or you don't have any files.
I mean, that's new here, right?
This is the new view. Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, that's fine.
I downloaded this as one image.
Yeah.
Totally helping it.
Yeah, that nice image. Yeah.
Yeah.
So how about Safari?
Safari.
Which nobody uses, but hey.
Yeah, I mean the only good thing about Safari, I'm not the biggest fan of Safari, but a good thing about it is very power efficient.
That's
Definitely is.
Yeah.
So if you're low on battery, just go in Safari.
I see this matches perfect.
Yes, perfect.
How does the YouTube dark mode like? Now we're gonna see if Apple really cared.
What do you mean?
If it also aligns with the YouTube dark mode.
No. Oh, you mean this? You need to set it yourself.
Can you even change it here? Like I don't know.
Einstellungen.
Is it an Einstellung? Oh, okay.
No,
Okay.
no,
Oh
I
well,
can't.
then no. Well, then there you go.
Is there any new stuff still? You remember?
Do you notice? Like this is my first impression.
Yes.
I'm just like,
Yeah, the wallpaper. Wow.
oh,
This is AirPlay.
yeah.
Yeah, show the percentage. They're never bad. Yeah.
Why is this always turned off?
But I don't know.
Do you know why? Normally it shows. For some time it showed how long.
Yeah,
it's-
but they removed that in High Sierra.
You know
I
why?
think. Why? Because it was fake.
No, yeah, but because the MacBook Pros, the 2061s with the redesign had this battery issue.
2061.
16 ones
Oh, okay.
had this battery problem,
Yes.
and everyone was like, it's running out way too fast, and Apple was like, alright, then we're just gonna remove that, so now you don't know.
Man, Apple.
Yeah, well,
Man.
also, I mean, I have to say,
What do you say to the dark mode? Because that's kind of the main thing of the OS. What do you say
how
about
does the
it?
calendar look? I mean,
Yes,
that's
go in the calendar. It's very black. Yes.
Uh,
Very black.
how does it look if I make like a...
Make an appointment. Yeah.
More. No, change the color.
I mean, we're so tired already, and then you just look at a blank screen, you know. Doesn't really do you any justice.
I mean, it's fine. It's,
Yes, I think you're not used to it.
Yeah,
It's
that's probably it. Yeah.
same
How
with
does
me.
notes look?
I mean, have you set your menu bar also black on your MacBook?
No, I don't think so actually.
All white.
Yeah, I think it's
normally.
white. Yeah.
So
Okay, so Notizen also.
yeah, it's very black.
It's very black. But in iOS 7 it was all white. Now it's all black.
Yes. Is there any new on the maps or so?
Isn't the App Store really?
Yeah, the App Store is completely
Whoa.
redesigned.
Whoa. Oh god.
Wait, let me sign in and we try to install better Snap tool.
Yeah,
because
right.
this is this one thing that Apple can't figure out. Make a
Yeah.
Snap window.
Why don't they do that?
I don't know. And it's very, very sad.
But how about we don't show this?
Yeah, it's a good idea. So, now, I mean, this is so different. Oh my god.
Whoa.
This is the account. Oh, this is what you have bought.
I see.
Don't I have a different view, like the regular view?
Probably in the Entdecken.
And taking.
Yeah.
No, I mean I want to see the snap.
I don't think you can. I mean, search for it just.
Yeah, I will search for it. Okay, it has some recommendations.
Yeah,
There it
okay,
is.
right.
This is how it looks like. Okay, yeah, this is.
It's totally iOS.
looking like iOS ported on the Mac.
Yeah.
It's loaded. I hope it works.
Yeah, it works. Yeah, it's iOS. Even the loading.
Even that
Even
button there. Okay. Yes, I will allow it.
Yeah, you have to. Isn't this an interesting video, guys? Installing Better Snap 2 at 2 a.m.
You were
Yes, almost.
you were watching it.
Yeah, you were watching it.
Don't blame us.
Yeah.
So now we just have to, I think, launch it.
Yeah, obviously. Yeah. There we go.
What?
The color is funny.
Yeah. No, it's fine.
Okay, it just bugged.
It does this one time when you first start it up. Yeah, it worked. Wait. Oh, the app store can't be smaller.
Yeah.
They make
It
this.
just.
Yep, it works.
Okay.
But I see there's. I see it now. Very fast it is, but the resolution is not the one I want for the monitor. I want, I think, this.
Yeah.
Because it's giving you more space, you know.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
And whenever a screen is such a fucking big resolution, I can use it, yeah. Because this is just too insane.
Yeah.
But
God.
this is fine.
Okay. Yeah.
So, what do you think? This is Mojave.
I mean, we probably will cut a lot in this video, but
Yes, of course.
Mojave.
What is your verdict on macOS? Mojave 10.14.
Well, my first thoughts. The
Yes.
first thoughts are that it feels kind of exactly like High Sierra.
My
Probably
thoughts
because
too.
it is.
Probably because it's basically the same OS as for 5 versions now.
Yeah.
Yosemite.
No. Otherwise, I mean, dark mode is nice.
Yeah, they had to do it. You know, Windows has it. So
Yeah, true.
They had to do it.
It's nice to see apps like.
The memos.
Yeah.
And that, but I really like the screenshot tool.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah.
Very handy.
That's nice. So dark mode and screenshot tool is nice. Yeah.
The dark mode, yeah.
But that's it.
I mean, I don't even know any more features.
Are they even?
Probably, but I don't know. Oh, there's some metal related, but we can't really.
Yeah, how can I test that?
Can't really test that.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, well, metal. It's aluminum.
There you go.
Ah.
There's enough metal. See, there.
Yeah,
all,
there.
it's aluminium, but
There's
don't-
even more metal.
There you go. Yeah. And this Mac, by the way, it's not
Yeah,
supported.
this one is not supported.
And what's the funniest thing is, this Mac here is slower than this Mac.
Yeah.
Because this is a quad core and this is a dual core. But no,
No.
it can't be supported.
Now we can.
But yeah, anyway, this is the awesome video.
What an awesome video. Yeah, Mojave.